Welcome back, Financial Issues. I'm Dan Celia. It's great to be here. Amanda, welcome. Thank you for being with us.
Thank you for having me, Dan.
Christian Community Credit Union has a line of credit program that's going to allow you to tap into some of your buying power. Tell us, Amanda, about what you guys are doing for the first 6 months.
We have a great promotion going right now. We've got a 6-month introductory rate of 1.99 on all of our new home equity lines of credit.
And then where does the rate go?
The rate will then go to a tiered rate based on your credit and loan to value, but it starts as low as 4.5. So it's still going to be a lot lower than your standard personal credit lines or credit cards that you might have.
If it's based on the equity in their home, and they say we have a daughter that just graduated from college, she's got $35,000 worth of debt, we would like to help her out with that. Would you have a problem with that? Is that something that you wouldn't allow?
No, that's a perfectly acceptable use for it. We have lots of members who want to help their kids either pay college tuition up front or help pay off student loans or do some kind of debt consolidation like that.
And obviously, it's a great source of refinancing.
That's right.
So the 1.99% 6-month rate is a very, very good rate. And so many of you, I talk to people every day, are using even credit cards to do home improvements and those kinds of things where they're paying some very, very high rates. And this is a great way to avoid that. Is it hard to set up, and are there a lot of fees involved?
There are not a lot of fees. We have no application fee. We have no prepayment penalty fees. We do have a small amount of fees to get the loan set up, but there's no annual fee moving forward. So once you get the line of credit set up, you're pretty much good to go.
And if they pay it off in 6 months, there's not going to be any penalty?
Not at all. For a lot of people who are navigating that for the first time, it can be very overwhelming.
I've talked to so many people that have done car loans or getting ready to do car loans. And my producer who did that said that you guys made it so easy. And
oh, good. I'm glad to hear that. Thank you. We're relationship-based, and I think that's what's really important to others and people that come to us because, first of all, they don't know that credit unions do as much lending and banking and that we're full service, but we are.
Yes.
And once they find that out, we build relationships with them. And I have people who come back to me year after year and said, oh, you know what, you gave me my first car loan 15 years ago. I think it's time to buy a house. Hey, can you help me with this checking account? And that's what we do here. We're relation-based, and I think that's what our members appreciate about us and what keeps them coming back to us.
Thank you, Amanda. God bless.